Tired of oily messes and unevenly cooked meals? Picture this: golden, crispy fries, perfectly roasted veggies, and tender meats, all cooked with little to no oil. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're revealing the top 5 air fryers that will transform your cooking game and make every meal unforgettable. But wait, how do you know which one is the best for you? Well, that's exactly why you're here. Whether you're a busy professional, a family cook, or a gadget lover, we've researched the best of the best, and I'll break down the pros and cons of each, so you can make an informed decision. Plus, I've got a surprise. There's a perfect match for any budget or cooking style. But before starting, don't forget to click on the links of the products I'm talking about in the description. Add the perfect air fryer in your cart, and because you deserve a better cooking experience. Let's get started. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. First up, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This one is a powerhouse. If you're looking for versatility and precision, this is the one to beat. With 13 different cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate your food. It's big, powerful, and packed with all the features you'll need to take your cooking to the next level. Key features: it has a whopping 1.1 cubic feet of space, enough to cook a 14-pound turkey or a full pizza. Plus, it has smart technology that ensures even heat distribution, so no more worrying about undercooked meals. Why you'll love it: if you want an air fryer that doubles as a convection oven and offers professional-grade cooking, this is your match. It's perfect for big families or those who love to entertain. What to consider: the downside: it's a bit on the expensive side and takes up significant counter space. But for the quality and versatility, it's definitely worth the investment if you're serious about your kitchen gadgets. Philips Premium Airfryer XXL. Next on the list, we've got the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL, the original air fryer brand that's been delivering consistent results for years. This model uses fat removal technology, which means you can cook your favorite crispy foods with up to 90% less fat. Key features: with its 7-quart capacity, this air fryer can easily handle meals for a family. It also has a unique design that ensures food cooks evenly, with no flipping required. Why you'll love it: if you're looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste, this air fryer will be your best friend. The fat removal technology is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy guilt-free fried food. What to consider: the Philips XXL is definitely larger, so it may not fit into small kitchens as easily. And while it's a top performer, the price tag can be a bit hefty, especially with accessories sold separately. But if you want top-tier performance and healthier meals, the Philips XXL delivers every time. If you like what you are seeing so far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Now, for those of you who like efficiency, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer is a game changer. This air fryer lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time, with different temperatures and times, thanks to its dual cooking zones. So, no more waiting around to cook multiple dishes separately. Key features: it offers an 8-quart capacity and 6 cooking functions, including air crisp, bake, roast, and dehydrate. You can even sync the cooking so both foods finish at the same time. Why you'll love it: this one is perfect for large families or meal preppers who need to save time without compromising quality. You'll be able to cook multiple meals in one go, making it a huge time saver. What to consider: it's a bit bulkier than some other models, so you'll need enough counter space. Also, while it's fantastic for multitasking, it doesn't have smart connectivity or advanced features like some other higher-end models. For those who value convenience and speed, the Ninja Foodi is hard to beat. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Looking for something sleek, functional, and affordable? The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven is a solid choice for anyone who wants versatility without breaking the bank. Key features. It offers 6 different cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate. With its 6-quart capacity, it's great for medium-sized families or couples who want an efficient cooking tool. Why you'll love it. The affordable price combined with versatile functions makes this air fryer a top contender. Plus, the sleek stainless steel design fits in beautifully with modern kitchens. What to consider? It's a bit noisy while cooking and lacks dual cooking zones, but for the price and value, it delivers a solid performance. COSORI Pro II Air Fryer. And finally, if you're on a budget but still want a high-quality air fryer, the COSORI Pro II Air Fryer is an excellent choice. It offers great features without the high price tag, making it the ideal option for beginners or anyone who wants to try air frying without investing too much. Key features. It comes with 12 cooking presets, making it easy to cook anything from French fries to chicken wings with just a tap. Plus, it has a 5.8-quart capacity, which is perfect for small families or individuals. Why you'll love it. The nonstick basket makes cleaning a breeze, and with its user-friendly interface, you'll be up and cooking in no time. What to consider? It doesn't have the advanced features like dual zones or smart connectivity, but for its price, it's a fantastic value. Compact, efficient, and reliable, the COSORI Pro II is proof that great things come in small packages. So, there you have it, the best air fryers to level up your kitchen. From the versatile Breville Smart Oven to the budget-friendly COSORI Pro II, there's an air fryer for every lifestyle, every budget, and every home. Ready to make mealtime easier, healthier, and more delicious? Check the links in the description to grab your favorite air fryer today. Don't wait. Your kitchen deserves it. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.